After finishing every edits on CapCut PC, when you try to export, this pop-up will appear asking you to join their subscription, and that's very frustrating. So let's move on fixing it. Firstly, all of you guys know that CapCut is banned in India, so we can't find it in Microsoft Store directly. So, and we have an extra step to do. See, there's no CapCut, so let's close it. Open the settings. Then go to the time and language section. From here, select language and region. You have to change your country to US or UK. Here I am selecting UK. Now just reopen the Microsoft Store and it will now show CapCut there. Just install it. Without wasting time, let's install Hotspot Shield VPN. Install it. Now take settings and you can change your country back. Close it and open Hotspot Shield VPN. Choose the basic plan. Now we have to select the location to US or UK. Just connect it. After connecting VPN, minimize it and open CapCut. Now click create project. From here you can edit your video normally. You can use every effects and every pro features here. Now you can see this pop-up. Just click back to it. Now you have to click on the timeline and Ctrl A to select all, and right click on the clip and click create compound clip. Now right click on it and click pre-process compound clip. Now you have to wait until the process finishes. After the processing is completely done, you have to press Windows plus R to open this dialog window and type AppData and hit enter. Now inside local, You have to find CapCut, open it, and inside user data, go to projects, and open this folder. Here you have to check for your project name which matches the folder. This folder matches my project name, so I'm opening it, and inside it go to resources, here combination. Inside this you can see two files, one is mp4 file and another is .alpha file. You have to choose that mp4 file and drag and drop it to the CapCut. Here you can see an error, so just fix it by closing the CapCut and just reopen it. Open the project, and now you can drag and drop the mp4 file inside the folder, and that's it. And just drag and drop it to your timeline and click replace. And now you can export your video, and here you can no more see that pop-up, and you can choose your qualities and click export, and everything is fine. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if find useful.